everyone. Femathon 22nd April Sunday happening in Vasco. Femathon is a team, basically a family running together. Today's world, being healthy and fit is very important, not only for yourself but for your family. So we, Darsh Dance Academy and JCI Verna Tattva together are organizing Femathon for you, where 1500 to 2000 people will be participating. It will be a historic event as it's happening first time in Vasco and second time in Goa. And there are three kinds of races: 1 kilometer, 3 kilometer and 5 kilometer. The starting point is Tilak Maidan. The registration time on Tilak Maidan will be 6 o'clock. We have 6:30 to 7 o'clock Zumba fitness for you. The warm-up and cooling will be done by the Zins of Vasco. And also the races will start at 7 o'clock sharp. The first race is at 7, 5 kilometers, which will start from Tilak Maidan and head towards the IOC circle. Second will start at 7:15 AM, which will again head towards IOC circle. And third one, it's majority for kids, 1 kilometer, and that will again start from Tilak Maidan to HQ and back. And for all the participants, we are having medals, certificate and refreshments. We together, we have got a lot of support from the Vasco. We have got a lot of people who are supporting us. So, we together invite you to come and, make our event a grand success. The family which eats together, runs together is again a very fit family. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. This is JCI Verna Tattva and Darsh Dance Academy bringing to you Femathon. It's a family run for family. We here in Vasco having all maximum families running for this run. We have entries from not only in Vasco, from Panjim, Margao and most part of Goa. We have doctors team who is going to come run for this, participate for this Femathon. It's first time event that is happening in Vasco and second time in Goa. It is for you to stay fit, live fit and live a healthy life. We, JCI Verna Tattva, it's our first event. We are coming up collaborating with Darsh Dance Academy for you, for Vasco cars and all over Goa. Thank you.